Hey peoples, welcome back to my channel. My name is MSA for those of you who are new. Today's topic is the perfect red lip. I figure red lips are iconic. Most people will have a red lipstick in their lipstick wardrobe. So it's worthwhile learning a few tips to know how to slay a red lip so that it's flawless, so that you always look good all day long. These tips are really easy. I think it's also applicable to any lipstick color that you're going to wear. So keep on watching to learn how to create the perfect red lip, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video. So the first thing I do is to make sure that my lips are nice and moisturized, because there's nothing worse than having really dry lips and then you put lipstick on it. Just not a good look. I love just using simple Carmex. I just have it all over my lips and I'm just gonna blot my lips. You don't want too much moisture. Okay, and then once that's done, I go in with the same brush that I used for my foundation all over my face. It's still got some foundation on it, and I use it all over my lips. And that just blots out the natural color of my lips because I have dark lips, but it also means that when the lipstick goes on, you get a really nice crisp lip line as well. I'm just going to put a bit more on. The next step is to line your lips, and I love this one by MAC. This is called Cherry. It's great if you want like a blue reddish kind of a lip. Good to have your pencil sharp, you get a crisper line. So the first thing I do is I draw across where my Cupid's bow is. So from the top, I draw a line downwards, and then from the other top of the lip, I draw a line. So you can see there's a little cross there. And then I do the same thing on the bottom part. Well, not same thing, but I draw a line on my bottom lip. So basically you divided your lip into four. So all you're going to do now is go from one corner of the lip up to that line, from the other corner to the other line. So you're just joining up the lines really to line your entire lip. So once you've done that, you want to color in your lips. I love to fill it all in because it gives the lipstick something else to grip onto. And so when your lipstick does fade during the day, you're still going to have a bit of color left over from the lip liner. Now I'm going in with a darker lip liner called Night Moth. Again, this is by MAC. This step is optional, but it's because when I wear a red lip, I like a bit of an ombre effect where the perimeter of my lip is darker. I think it just works because I have very big lips, so it just gives them a little bit more dimension. So I'm just gonna put this just on the outer corners. Feathering that in towards the middle of my lip too. And just very lightly blend that in. Time for lipstick. This is my favorite red by Huda Beauty. It's called El Cinco de Mayo. It's a wonderful creamy matte red, and I find that when I wear it, it's really easy to wear it all day without drying my lips, and I just keep reapplying it whenever I need to, which isn't a lot to be honest, which is very good. So I'm just gonna go and put that all over my lips. So what often happens is after you put the lipstick on, you might realize that your lip line is not perfect. So what I like to do in this scenario is I just get a concealer brush. I use some of my foundation that I've used all over my face. I've just got some on the back of my hand. So I just use the lip brush, and you use that to just clean up your lip line. And you only need a little bit. And it just cleans it up, makes it nice and crisp. This looks so much better. So that's the lip done. Super easy. I think those tips are quite simple, pretty easy to nail. If you just do that a few times, you'll be doing it without thinking. I do hope that they work for you, and if you have any other tips, share them. I'm always wanting to learn different ways of doing things. Okay, thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.